Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the phone. Update iOS, remove any bulky case, and place the phone face down on a flat surface so taps register cleanly. Once done, open Settings, go to Accessibility, select Touch, then Back Tap. Make sure you choose whether you want double tap or triple tap first. That's the actionable decision that unlocks the feature. You're not just toggling a switch, you're picking the gesture that will trigger shortcuts or system actions, so choose intentionally. Next, you assign what the gesture does. Tap the option under double tap or triple tap and choose a system action like screenshot, app switcher, or reachability. Those are quick and reliable. Alternatively, assign a shortcut you built in the Shortcuts app for custom workflows. That lets you launch routines or HomeKit scenes. Once assigned, test it right away with a couple gentle taps on the back center. If it doesn't respond, switch actions to isolate whether the gesture or the action is the issue. Finish by validating in daily use. Try taps while holding the phone naturally and repeat with your typical case on. Make sure the gesture feels reliable for your grip. If not, change from double to triple tap or reassign the action. If it seems buggy, toggle back tap off and on or restart the iPhone to refresh sensors. One key troubleshooting tip: clean the phone back, remove the case, then reassign the gesture. Debris or a thick case often causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.